Hey Chance, today we are going to learn React JS with Next.js and implement API. So first need to install React application with Next.js. Okay, npx create next app at the rate latest. So this will install latest application with the Next.js. It's taking some times. Okay, now add your project name. Now I am adding basic setup React basic setup. Now, would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. And ESLint? Yes. Tailwind? Yes. SRC directory? Yes. And app route? Yes. Import alias? Definitely. So choose everything as yes. Now it's taking some times. Now we are going to the here. So here is our application SRC app, and this is our first page. Now checking. This is successfully installed. Now React basic setup and run this app npm run dev. Now we set up. Now setup is done and the application is running port 3000. Now we can open here. Okay, now the setup is done. Now we are creating a component to going to learn how to consume API. So first function get user return div I am here at this to avoid any error. Okay, I am here. Now we can add this is in our application. So I add this is here. Now get user. So we can call any component like this. Yes, I am. So component is working now. Now jump to the consume API. Const user not use null, use list type and require user state, import user state in React, and get user. Okay. And now use use effect. Effect is also import. Okay. Now create a new function with the name of get user data. Const get user data. Async. Okay. Now understand this. First, need to add our local API. I already created a local API. Get. Now we can get user from this API. Response is JSON and data coming set data user. Okay. And now call this function here. Okay. Now we need to add this H1. You can use type as any. Now we can see data in the browser. So first response get from fetch and response is JSON and now set user data in set user. So this will set user set data. We can get data from get user. Okay. Now we can use get user map function and user key index username. Now we can check in the browser. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is a it's only work in client component, but none of its parents are marked with use client. So they are server component by default. Okay, so we need to add this line in our page file. Okay, now this will return. Okay, something is going wrong. Okay, so API is on port 2000. Now, now inspect. Okay, you need to run again. So now we can get Nafis 1 and Nafis 2 here. And if you add new user, you can check the user data is here. So now we go to our backend application controller and add here Nafis 3 and hit the API. Check. hit the API. Now we can check what is 3 is coming. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, like this video, subscribe this video, and subscribe this channel. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and comments if you want more from my side. Next video, I'll share API to post API. Okay, thank you very much for watching.